I am here with my daughter, Brielle. Brielle is just little, she's about just turned 1 a couple months ago. And we're going to do a taste test to see if 1-year-olds like Xocai Healthy Chocolate. So let's try this out. I've got the Xocai X Power Square here, as you can see right there, and broken it up into little pieces. So we're going to see if Brielle likes to eat healthy chocolate. All right, let's see if you like this. Okay, you want this, huh? You want that? Look. She took it. Good sign. Can you eat it, huh? You want to eat it? Go eat it. You want to eat the chocolate? She's nibbling on it. Good sign. Okay, eat it. I think she's fascinated by the camera. You just like looking at yourself there, don't you? What do you think? Is that yummy? She's got it in her mouth. She's letting it melt. Is that yummy, huh? You like it? All right. So far, so good. Looks like she's putting it down. What do you think? Is that good, huh? Is it good? Yeah. She's got her chocolate lips going. Oh no, lick your finger off. Oh, it's finger licking good. So, I guess that proves it. That even babies like Xocai Healthy Chocolate, and it's finger licking good.